goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
We're here, Muskoka. Good morning. Oh man, what a morning. Well, I didn't get to see the lunar eclipse at all. It was too cloudy, didn't see nothing. Maybe next time. I've seen one before. Alright, so it's supposed to rain today. You can see the sky does not look good. Let's go see what he's doing. I don't think he knows where to park. Gotta park it in that lot over there. Yeah. Yeah, just right up through there and then just back it up like by that white truck. Well, I mean, it's his truck. The parking sign stops right here. So, I don't know. Maybe. I just leave it and then ask him. I'm not parking there.
No, I wouldn't park there.
Tired?
No, actually pretty good. I got quite a bit of sleep last night.
Well, it's supposed to rain on us.
Yeah, I was feeling we'll be getting wet. Hopefully it'll hold off.
I forgot to check for my rain suit when I left. So I have to go look right now.
Yeah. You want me to bring my stuff over now, or you want to put it in the water first?
It doesn't make any difference.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
Good morning, Ken.
Morning, Stan. You want to park there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if one of us don't park up there, or any of us don't park up there, there will be boats, trucks, and trailers parked there later in the day.
'Cause I've never seen anyone park there, but
Me neither.
Well, if you think I need to move it, I will. But I mean,
I don't know.
I'm down here every day,
You'll
about
park
once
there?
every 2 weeks.
The parking sign says like it does. It shows the arrow behind that, so I don't know. It's
Oh, he pulled me too far up.
no. I mean, where you are, like where the no parking signs. There's no arrow pointing at your truck. It's pointing back this way. So
Yeah.
looks like we peer pressured Stan into moving. Yeah, you're good. Alrighty.
5 minutes till game time.
It's all real now. And sorry about the smoke. Can't afford an Evinrude E-Tech. That E-Tech fires right up, eh?
It's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Listen, it rattles in this thing, eh?
Yeah, it's loud.
Call them from a mile away. Got one. Good one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
He's swimming out now.
Oh,
That was a good
That was a good one.
I don't know how he came unbuttoned.
Seemed like he was good.
Yeah.
Pike.
No, it's a largie.
Nice.
It's a good one too. Oh, he's not hooked very good.
That's a nice thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that pop right out.
Yeah, hold them up. So mine drops off, yours stays on. That's I don't like that.
She was barely hooked.
Yep. That's 5. Yikes. You alright?
Yep, yep.
I don't think you're allowed to fish anymore now. After you get your 5, isn't that how it goes? Oh, there's already a mesh bag in this one.
They're gonna back in right there. He's about to back in.
Oh, we gotta get out of the way.
There's lots of them.
It didn't seem like it was I should have tied his boat.
Lots of them.
This one going, that one. I just couldn't grab this.
They hit on two.
There's a nice one. Getting over close there. See, that's what I found. No, I realized. Hey, this is a small one.
I thought that boat trailered itself. Can you special that?
Yep. 2 and 2.
2 and 2? 2. Heavy.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not bad for 4 fish.
No,
What is it?
it's pretty good. 910. 915.
What was the weight?
9:15.
I thought you would have probably 11.
Huh?
You got 9?
Yeah.
So did I.
We're like team members or something.
Did you get me on GoPro lying down? Can't wait. Sexy pose? Hold on. Sexy pose. Can't. Do it first. Sexy pose.
Okay.
Last all day.
Yeah, but
Third
then
place
my
with 9.70, who also tied for a big fish with a 340 largie. Where is he? Oh, this guy, Brad Jameson.
oh,
Whoa! Who's this guy? He comes in, eh?
All right. Yeah, really.
Isn't he a guest?
Yeah. Pink jerkbait. Caught all my fish. X-wrap. X-wrap.
X-wrap.
Yeah. I got one on a spinner bait to call out a tiny one at the end of the day, and I got one on a Senko under a dock.
Second place
Way to
with
go, Brad.
995. also coincidentally tied with a 340 Smalley. So we got a 340 Largie and a 340 Smalley.
Wow, that's a first.
Good old Zach Mazinski.
Yeah,
Oh.
Zach.
Using mostly Ned rig, a couple on a Cinco, black and blue. Favorite color. That's it.
And first place with 10.45. Man, it pains me to have to give it to him, but I'm going to anyway. My partner, Andy Mazinski. Well done. And the Grady Buck.
Hey, it's Polish power today.
Polish power, eh?
Top water and Ned rig, and about 4 feet of water.
So think of it, when was the last time we had 3 non-boaters take first, second, third?
I think I've never seen it.
I've never seen it.
Might be a personal record.
That's incredible. That's awesome. Way to go,
Which is a
guys.
perfect segue for non-boaters out there. You
Yeah.
don't need a boat to be coming and fishing this club thing.
Come join
fish.
the Aurora Bassmasters and take our money.
Yeah.
Wow, so after the weigh-in, it just goes to show you, you can't rule out any fish. So I got 4 fish. I lost that one in the morning that you seen, which was probably 3 pounds. So I came in with 4 for 9.15. And if I would have had that 3-pounder, I would have taken it all, because that would have been over 12 pounds. Well, that's fishing for you. Sometimes you catch them, and sometimes you don't.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight.